if you want to create the super user inside the Docker container, what you have to do, Docker compose exec backend is our service name, then you run this python manage.py run server. Okay, so you can try this. It should be running, and I'll just cd backend drf. Okay, you have to write like this backend docker. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't have to go inside this backend drf. Okay, I can just come back. Okay, no need to go inside. And here, when this docker composes here, docker compose exec backend python manage.py manage.py, create super user. Okay, I'm getting this warning. Don't worry, this is not anything serious. So what this means is, actually in your env there is a dollar symbol somewhere here, so that's why it is showing like that. But if you don't want to receive this kind of warning, you can just wrap it inside this colon, double quotation, then it will work. So anyway, I'll go ahead and create this super user. I'll say developer.ratan@gmail.com, Django admin. I'll put the password. Okay, so now I don't have to run anything. The Docker is already running my Django, right? So I'll just go here, login, and you can see. So we were able to Dockerize our local Django app in our computer. Okay, next step is to send this project to Linode server. Okay, it should work the same way it is working right now.